Welcome! Today's lesson is not about grammar or vocabulary. It's about the one skill that will change your English forever. Ready? Let's begin. Think in English, not in your language. Most learners translate every sentence in their head before speaking. This makes English slow, stressful, and unnatural. To become fluent, you must train your brain to think directly in English. Why this is the most valuable lesson? You speak faster. No more translating word by word. You make fewer mistakes. Translations often cause wrong grammar. You sound more natural. Native speakers think in ideas, not in grammar rules. You become confident. You don't get stuck searching for words. How to train your brain to think in English? Start with small thoughts. Think simple things in English daily. I'm hungry. I need water. I'm tired. I'm going to work. It's hot today. Do it 10 seconds at a time. Describe what you see. Look around and say, in your mind, red car, busy street, small dog, two people talking. This builds natural vocabulary. Replace your mother language for easy things. Instead of thinking your language, then English, go straight to English for things like numbers, days, feelings, objects, and common actions. Example, instead of thinking water, translate English equals water. Just think the English word water. Speak your ideas, not perfect sentences. Don't try to speak perfectly. Speak simply. Don't think, I want to construct a grammatically correct sentence. Think, I want food. I like this. Let's go. Simple English is powerful English. Avoid translating in your head. If you don't know a word, explain it instead of translating. Example, you don't know ceiling. Say, the top of the room. This is exactly how native speakers communicate when stuck. Practice mini conversations with yourself. Talk to yourself quietly. What should I eat? I need to go now. Let me check my phone. I want to rest. This makes English automatic. Use English every day, even for 5 minutes. Micro practice is more powerful than 1 hour once a week. The truth? Fluency is a thinking habit, not grammar knowledge. You become fluent when English is your brain's default mode. Great job! This lesson, think in English, not translate, is the most valuable skill you can learn. Practice small steps every day, and you'll feel your fluency improve naturally, quickly, and confidently.